Good afternoon all. We are over in Epsom in Surrey for our last job today. Sun is still shining. This is a multi-vehicle discounted job where if you have more than one vehicle we will offer discounts on our services. So discounts up to £50 per vehicle on engine carbon clean. This is two vehicles, the first one being a VW Polo 1.2 diesel that has early onset of an EGR issue, so we're trying to avoid a replacement EGR on this. We're doing a 3-stage carbon clean service, so that's the hydrogen cleaning that is occurring right now, and our injector cleaner, and our 3rd stage chemical cleaner to help remove the oily gunk out of the EGR valve. This process takes about 45 minutes, and then we will be moving on to this Lexus that's had a number of problems over the last couple of years. We're now looking to do a diagnosis on this. Potentially it might have a DPF issue, but hopefully it'll be a simple engine carbon clean to help just make the engine run a bit sweeter, a bit nicer. So that is multi-vehicle discounting by UK Carbon Cleaning. If you'd like to book us, telephone number 01293 769495 for diagnostics, engine carbon clean services and DPF cleaning services. Give us a call or on 01293 769495 or send us a message. Have a great day.